Hi guys, welcome to Infotech Solutions. So many candidates do not join the software testing field as they have some doubts about tester salaries or they think testers have lower salaries as compared to other job profiles. So today in this video, we will try to focus on this problem. So let us start without any delay. So, many people find software testers' salaries confusing. This presentation will help you understand why testers get paid for what they do and share some surprising facts. In simpler terms, we will explain what factors influence tester salaries and uncover some unexpected insights. So, the first factor is going to be education matters. Education is an important factor in determining software tester salaries. Those with a bachelor's degree can expect to earn more than those without. However, certification can also have a significant impact. You can say in simple words, education plays a big role in how much money software testers make. If you have a bachelor degree, you will likely earn more than someone who without one. But here's some twist. Getting special certifications can also boost your salary a lot. So having a good education and certification can help you make more money as a software tester. Now, experience counts. Experience is another key factor in determining software testers' salaries. Those with more experience can expect to earn more. However, a specialized experience in certain areas such as automation testing can also lead to higher salaries. In simple words, we can say that having experience is a big deal when it comes to how much money software testers make. If you have been doing this job for a long time, you will probably earn more than someone who is just started. But here's the interesting part. If you are really good at something specific like automation testing or some other thing, you can also get paid more. Even if you have not been working for a long time, so experience and being great at a particular skill can both make your salary go up. Now, location matters. Location can have a significant impact on software tester salaries. Salaries in high cost of living areas tend to be higher. However, remote work can also lead to higher wages as companies may offer higher pay to attract and retain top talent. In simple words, we can say that where you can work can affect how much money you can make as a software tester in places where it's expensive to live, like big cities. Testers usually get paid more to cover the high costs. But here's something interesting. If you work from home or remotely you're working, companies might pay you more, but because they want to keep really good testers no matter where they live. So the location matters, but remote work can also get you a better paycheck. Now, industry insight. Salaries can vary widely depending on the industry in which a software tester works. Finance and healthcare tend to offer higher salaries, while government jobs may provide more stability but lower pay. In simple words, we can say about this topic is like how much money a software tester makes can be very different depending on the kind of company they work for. If you work in the finance or healthcare, or you can take an example of e-commerce, you might get paid more, but because those industries value your skills a lot. But if you work for the government, you might be have a stable job, but the pay might be not as much as high as the private sector. So the type of industry you work in affects your salary. Some pay more, some pay less. Now, the conclusion must be software tester salaries are influenced by a variety of factors, including education, experience, location, and industry. By understanding these factors, testers can make informed decisions about their careers and negotiate for fair compensation. As per the recent report, we get some numbers like normally a software tester can easily get up to $95,000 annually. This is a very good pay if you are a fresher or an entry level job seeker. That will be a great opportunity for you to enter into the IT industry, whether you come from non-IT background as well. Software tester become a part of your life and you can become easily a software tester. Now, if you have any doubt, you can email us at training@infotech-solutions.com or call us at 800-543-5571 for more information. We will help you to become a certified QA and help you to get placed as well. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you guys like this video. Thanks. Have a great day. Bye bye. Take care.